Good morning, everyone. My name is Cindy Miola Berusumiri, student ID number 642525057, class 641A01. Today, I want to share my opinion on my important issues we often see around. One of the habit of smoking on the campus. I chose this topic because it's everything important to me. Campus is a place to learn, grow, and maintain health, no place to prevent cigarette smoke. First, we all know how dangerous cigarettes are to health. Cigarettes can cause serious disease such as lung cancer, heart disease, heart respiratory problem. Smoking can be fatal. Even more dangerous is passive smoking. People want to smoke and inhale the smoke. They are also the risk of experiencing the same disease. Separate some of smoker. Is that fire? Of course not. Everyone has the right now to breathe clear air in the safe and healthy campus environment. Second, smoking on the campus also damages the campus image. This especially true when God's parent or the director and as the parents say students smoking in front of the campus. Even if they are the outside, still damage the campus is image. Your campus should be bigger displeasant, provisional and environmental. Can please, if we continue to allow smoking on campus, we are violating campus regulation. For more, smoking on campus also discourage the comfort others. The smoke and odor of cigarettes can be carried into classroom and other campus buildings. Many students experience discomfort, even desire or the to breathe. I am also one that the student we cannot breathe a second smoke because of the breathing. After smoking, after smoking cigarette, but are often thrown a random direction of littering. This makes the everyone dirty isolated. What's the solution? What can you be done? First, we come most related to staying zeros and with staying one. First, we mobilizing the same 100 centimeter from the campus fences is not dangerous. We can still respect the rules and the maintain clean eye for everyone. Second, for the of you walk the smoke, find a place the completely away from the campus area and won't disturb others. And for you all, let me remember also other politics that possibly positively, then I'll speak sorry. They are the message and thank you for watching. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Cindy Miola to the ID card 642522057. Okay, hello everyone, and today I'm going to test one of the most often in the English conversation. What is present continuous? The present continuous tenses is performed in English action to express action or event that are called to taking place. These tenses can also be used to discuss the finished future plans or to be discussed current dates or habits. Formula formula subject plus am is are plus verb in. The formula is subject plus mar the verb in we. Example is I am reading, she is cooking, they are studying. The to be verbs subject I to be I am. Example I am eating. Subject he, she, it to be is. Example she is singing. You, we, they to be are. Example they are playing. The present continuous tenses form is used for show something that happiness had the same times as we were talking or discussing in for as complaint. I am example is I am listening on radio. And next indicates something that are happening while are talking, not actually at the time while the talking about around the time or more or less for the talking. Example, you are working hard today. Next is positive tenses. Subject plus I am is are plus verb in. Example, I am watching. She is reading. They are dancing. Next, negative tenses. Subject plus I am is are plus not plus verb in. Example, I am not sleeping. He is not playing football. They are not studying. Next ada next question. I am is are plus subject is verb in. Are you studying English? Yes. Is she cooking? I am all talking too fast. Verb plus in rules. Play to be plus in playing. Make to making. Run to running. We use it? Action happening now. Temporary action. Action happening around the time. Future when. Example, I am reading essay. She's not sleeping. Are they watching a movie? My father is cooking dinner. Come to time expression. Now, right now, and the moment. Today, this week, currently. We usually use present continuous with this time expression. Common mistake, don't forget ing. Don't use answering. Example, she is play. She is playing. I am reading. Two, I am reading. Practice. Practice one, change to the present continuous. He eat how. Two, he is eating now. Next, they play football. They are playing football. I not watch TV. I am not watching TV. Practice to make your RM with be, with I am, with she is, with they are. Difference to simple present and present continuous. Simple present habit. Example, it's breakfast every. Present continuous. I am writing breakfast now. Real life situation to present. At the library, I'm reading book. And the canteen, we are eating lunch. And the home, they are watching TV. Mini questions. Mini questions is number one. She read a novel. She is read a novel. No, they they are not right now. Number three. Are you Are you studying English? Con- Conclusion: the present continuous tenses is used to talk about action that are happening right now or around. The formula subject, aim, is, are, plus, verb in, and is often used with time expression like now, right now, and the moment, today, or the week by using the tenses. We can description what people are you doing in the third person naturally. Thank you for watching for you the presentation. Thank you.